Hello everyone, we are AIM Red, which is an on-chain AI red teaming crowdsourcing platform. We bring blockchain to solve problems in AI. So you can try our demo in the QR code. Yeah, so today, many wonderful products brought to even today use... Oh. What? 왜 화면이... why isn't the screen showing? 왜 화면이 안 보이? 화면이 안 보이. 화면이 안 보이서 이... Yeah, so even wonderful products brought today use AI for important areas in the blockchain. We can even see in Vitalik's blog post that AI will act as players and judges in the Web3 space. Yeah, products such as LLM wallets or on-chain LLM agents are examples of those. Yeah, but the problem is that, can we really trust AI? Yeah, trust enough to even take in charge of our wallet and funds? Actually, no. There are problems such as LLM jailbreaking that deceives LLMs. LLMs can leak sensitive information or generate wrong actions. So I think somebody asked how to win the AI. I think they can use jailbreaking methods. And how is this currently handled? It is handled by human red teaming. There are open competitions such as DEFCON CTFs about LLMs to detect vulnerabilities, or big tech companies actually have in-house AI red teams inside. We are also one of the few teams that actually provide commercial level LLM red team services to big techs in Korea. But working in this space, we felt one problem. We felt that fixed LLM red teams had limitations. So we thought of using blockchain to solve this problem. We think we need bug bounties for AI. In our platform/game, users can choose models to jailbreak and attempt jailbreaking. Attacks are evaluated using vector databases and detection models. If considered success, the attack can be minted into an NFT. Our game provides tutorials for newbies, NFT markets to monetize, and buy jailbreak ideas. Also, user provides more data. They level up their tiers and become a ranker to show up to others. We have three entities: LM service provider and initial. They provide APIs and initial liquidity in the pool and get jailbreak data in return. To protect APIs being abused, we have our tokens and ProPass. New developers who want to buy jailbreak ideas for their new LLM services will buy the data using buying the NFTs in the marketplace. Since NFTs are hard to liquidate and discover price, we plan to use ERC 404 so that NFTs are burned and minted to fungible tokens and in reverse easily. New data consumers will generate demand and users will be paid for their work. So we'll now show our demo. So our platform allows players to log in with their wallets. And also for newbie users, we offer a comprehensive tutorial to easily learn about AI red teaming and get started right away. As an incentive, we airdrop 10 R tokens to new users to join the platform. These tokens are served as bullets, enabling users to contribute in red team challenges. As an incentive, the platform features multiple stages with varying difficulties and attack objectives, such as generating toxic content or attempting to leak sensitive data like phone numbers from the LLM. To unlock stage 1, which is making ChatGPT generate toxic content, users use our tokens for bullets for 3 attempts. So the user now tries, but they fails, and then so our platform gives explanations about why they failed, and users who actually successfully jailbreaked, such as in this case, GPT now says bad words, and then we can see that the NFT can be minted right away so that they can be monetized in the future. The minted NFTs can be bought from others who are interested to buy jailbreak data. The leaderboard feature adds an incentive for users to compete and showcase their skills about LLM hacking. Participating in LLM red teaming does not actually necessarily require deep machine learning knowledge. So instead, to improve accessibility, we have employed a particle network, enabling Web2 users to log in using their traditional Web2-based methods. Thanks.